Welcome to Lane Avail Car Share University. My name is Conrad Layn. At the end of the year or in the beginning of the year, doesn't matter when it is, but especially at the end of the year, you've had your car on the Avail Car Share platform for 12 months. I would say you should have looked at your car and logged into the Avail Car Share platform at least once per month. Weekly preferably, but at least once per month. That's only 12 times per year. The reason, you still want to maintain, keep track of the miles for tax purposes. You also want to keep track of the miles for the qualifications, because you can only keep your car in there if it's under 125,000 miles. You also want to make sure to follow how it's possibly accruing mileage, and just in general for claims purposes. This is such a comfortable platform in comparison to other platforms I've rented my cars onto. And I own 22 cars currently. I rent cars on Hire Car and Turo. There's other populars like Get Around, but Avail Car Share is an excellent company because it's one of the only at this time that pays you passive income of $450 plus a monthly bonus on top of that, plus a quarterly bonus, plus rental credits that they pay you. You get paid quite a bit, and you sometimes might forget to check in, because with Turo, Hire Car, and other platforms, you're actively checking because you have to check new reservations. You have to keep logging in and logging out. You could possibly become complacent and forget that to even check on your own car, because remember, you dropped it off at the available lot. They wash it for you. They take it to get battery, to get a new battery. They take it to get your tire rotated. They take it to get new tires. They take it to go get washed. They have a free parking for it. You get free insurance. So you really start to forget you even have a car, which is a good solution to have. But you still need to be responsible, so you can just follow your car, especially for tax purposes. But anyways, love you guys. Just make sure you log in. That's one of the biggest mistakes I've seen. There's a few other mistakes, but that's one of them. Log in at least once per month so you can track the record mileage wise and just the condition of your car, if it's going through a claim, etc. In general. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Carl Layn out.